I bet you didn't know you can earn money on TikTok with just a few followers and views. Let's dive in. Here's how to earn with TikTok's affiliate program with or without large followers and views. Step 1. Choose a product to promote from TikTok's marketplace. Next, create a shoppable video showcasing the product in a fun and creative way. Add products to your showcase. Write a compelling product description that highlights the cool features and benefits. Use relevant hashtags and tags to boost your video's reach. Finally, remember, high-quality, engaging videos get recommended more by TikTok. Each purchase through your link or showcase means commission for you. I earn £100 every week just by following this simple steps. Earn with me on TikTok. Start today and turn your TikTok into a cash machine. You got this. Share this video.